Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo! And guess what? I went to World Market. I saw a few things and I want to take you along with me. So please leave any questions or comments below. And don't forget, show a sister some love. Some love. Like, share, subscribe. And I'll see you at the end of the video. Enjoy. I can't tell you the last time I've been in a World Market, but first thing that caught my eye were these pillowcases. I love the print on that. And that color will actually match my sheets. Oh, I love those orange prints up there. Excuse me if I can't get to everything. I only have one hand through while I'm trying to tape. 2 pillowcases. I think they were $14.99 for that set. Hey, I want to say thank you to all my subscribers and all the new ones that have subscribed this past week. I appreciate all the support. And please recommend me to your friends if they're into any shopping videos. I appreciate it so much. And I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Now the furniture section, my favorite section. I love that chair. They've got a lot of like mid-century modern type furniture in here. Like this great chair here, that's like mid-century. I love that. That's not bad for a chair. Look at that sofa, isn't that beautiful? I love a dark smoky gray like that. $7.49. And they had these little rugs. I think I've seen these rugs elsewhere, but the prices on them are good. Look at this piece right here. I love this chair right here. I thought this was gorgeous. I don't know if I would put it in my living room, but it'd be nice if you were trying to do something for a guy. That's a nice piece right there. And I normally like leather like that, but look at this sofa here. Isn't that beautiful? That tufted sofa, that's beautiful. And it's got a sitting chair that goes with it. So the chair is $4.99, so $500 for the chair. It's been so long since I've been in a World Market. The furniture is gorgeous. I mean, the prices on their furniture is pretty decent. I love this sofa here. I love a couch that has a higher back. So I like that. That piece is really pretty. Nice, nice, nice. And you know what? I like this kind of day bed. That would be pretty. It's like an outdoor living type sofa. Like if you had like a ceiling fan and an outdoor porch, and this would be a lounge couch on there, that would be beautiful right there. $2.99. This is a nice little shelving unit, like for a television, and you could stack some media stuff in there. Now look at these plates. I love these bamboo dishware. This is pretty. $14.99. It's a set of four plates, and then they have 4 bowls. But these are more like the plastic, I guess, because they're bamboo, kind of plastic wooden plates. Hey, they'd be good if you got kids and you don't want them to break something. I like the colors too. Now I love this table right here. Is this not cool, the way the seats go in and out? So it's like a space saver, you know what I mean? So the seats roll in. I like that. $7.99. That is nice for $7.99. That's a good price. That is a heavy wrought iron table. Okay, wooden and iron table. Now these stackable dishes here, I thought this was a great little find here. If you want to get somebody a housewarming gift, a wedding gift, these plate sets were gorgeous. $20. Okay, it's a 4 of bowls, the smaller plates and then the bigger plates. But I love that. That is nice. Glass too. Oh, here it is right here. It's handmade flatware. And let me just tell you right now, I already bought my items. You're going to see them in my next video when I do my haul from a couple of stores. But yeah, I bought a couple of things in here already that I'm going to include in my next video. Look at these chargers. Are these chargers not gorgeous? Look at that wood. Oh, that is beautiful. Hey girls, that was it. That was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave any questions or comments below. Check me out on Instagram at Yoyofinds. I post out there all the time, okay? And don't forget to show us some love by subscribing and what? Sharing.